Droupadi Murmu, 15th President of India. Personal details. Born Pudi Biranchi Tudu, the 20th of June 1958, age 64, Uparbeta, Mayurbhanj, Odisha, India. Political party: Bharatiya Janata Party. Spouse: Shyam Sharan Murmu, died 2014. Children: Itishri Murmu, Laxman Murmu. Occupation: politician. Profession: teacher. She is an Indian politician who is serving as the 15th and current President of India since the 25th of July 2022. She is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. She is the first person belonging to the tribal community and the second woman after Pratibha Patil to hold the office. She is also the youngest person to occupy the post of president. Prior to her presidency, she served as the 9th governor of Jharkhand between 2015 and 2021 and held various portfolios in the cabinet of the government of Odisha between 2000 and 2004. Before entering politics, she worked as a clerk in the State Irrigation and Power Department from 1979 to 1983, and then as a teacher in Rairangpur until 1997. Personal life. Droupadi Murmu was born to a Santali family on the 20th of June 1958 in Uparbeta village in the Baidaposi area of Rairangpur, Odisha. Her father Biranchi Narayan Tudu was a farmer. Her father and grandfather were traditional heads, designated Sarpanch, of the village council, Gram Panchayat. Murmu studied elementary education at the local primary school in Uparbeta. At age 5, she moved to Bhubaneswar for higher studies. She completed secondary education at Girls High School Unit 2 and graduated with BA from Rama Devi Women's College. Early career. From 1979 to 1983, Murmu worked as a junior assistant at the Irrigation Department of the Government of Odisha. From 1994 to 1997, she then worked as a teacher at the school Sri Aurobindo Integral Education and Research Center in Rairangpur, where she taught Hindi, Odia, maths, and geography. She never claimed a full salary at the school. Political career. In 1997, Droupadi Murmu was elected as the councillor of the Rairangpur Nagar Panchayat as an independent candidate from a reserved seat for women. She then joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. She won the 2000 Odisha Legislative Assembly election from the Rairangpur Assembly constituency and served 2 terms in the Odisha Legislative Assembly between 2000 and 2009. During the BJP and BJD coalition government in Odisha, she was the Minister of State with independent charge for Commerce and Transportation from the 6th of March 2000 to the 6th of August 2002, and Fisheries and Animal Resources Development from the 6th of August 2002 to the 16th of May 2004. In 2007, she received the Nilkanth Award for the Best MLA of the Odisha Legislative Assembly. In 2009, she lost the Lok Sabha election from the Mayurbhanj Lok Sabha constituency as the BJD and BJP alliance had ended. She was elected to the BJP National Executive, Saint Morcha, in 2013 and was the district president until 2015. Governor of Jharkhand, 2015 to 2021. Governor Murmu with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015. Murmu was sworn in as the governor of Jharkhand on the 18th of May 2015, becoming the first woman to hold the position. The BJP was in power in the Jharkhand government for most of her 6-year tenure as a governor and was also in power in the union government throughout her tenure. Her 6-year tenure as governor began in May 2015 and ended in July 2021. Presidential campaign. In June 2022, the BJP nominated Murmu as the National Democratic Alliance, NDA's candidate for President of India for the 2022 election the following month. Yashwant Sinha was nominated as the candidate for president by the opposition parties. During her election campaign, Murmu visited various states seeking support for her candidature. Several opposition parties like BJD, YSRCP, JMM, BSP, SS, and JD-S, among others, had announced support for her candidature prior to polling. On the 21st of July 2022, Murmu secured a clear majority in the 2022 presidential election, defeating common opposition candidate Yashwant Sinha with 676,803 electoral votes, 64.03% of the total, in 21 of the 28 states, including in the Union Territory of Puducherry, to become the 15th President of India. She was elected as the President of India and assumed office on the 25th of July 2022. She took the oath of office in the Central Hall of Parliament by Chief Justice N.V. Ramana. She is the first person from India's designated tribal communities to be elected president. She is the youngest and first individual born after India's independence in 1947 to have been elected president. Murmu is only the second woman after Pratibha Patil to serve as President of India. In September 2022, she launched a government program, Pradhan Mantri TB Mite Bharat, an initiative to eradicate tuberculosis from the country. She became the first ever President of India to inaugurate the Mysuru Dussehra, a 10-day state festival in Karnataka.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next biography. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.